Hey everybody, it is Randy, currently known as Cupcake Market Farms. May the 4th, we officially become Fiddle-Free Farms. I'm really excited by this change, and the reason I'm excited is it showcases more of what we are about here on our Organic Approach farm. Now I'm going to spin this around, because it's been a little while since I've showed you guys the garden, and I'm really proud of everything that is beautiful right now. I mean, the pollinators are just insane, which is really making our lives great. I've got an empty space back here where we uprooted some potatoes a few weeks back. Of course, bell peppers are still absolutely on fire. Beefsteak tomatoes are all heirloom, have 40 of those plants here. They are just bustling and desperately need to do that Florida weave trellis one more time. My Lord. My first year doing tomatillos, and they are also just loaded. There's more up there. We'll get to them in a moment. 40 jalapeno plants, again, loaded. Green beans, we have harvested 3 times. We're going to harvest, my wife and I, Veronica, one more time later today. Of course, today being Sunday, we will harvest another bushel, most likely 2 bushels of beans. 2 more rows of bell pepper, which has a total of 32 plants. Our dill, we shaved it down the other day as we are preparing to make our pickles, because the cucumbers, this is succession number 1, or I should say our first grow. We've got our succession number 2 over there, now just heavy as can be, and a 3rd succession on the side of the greenhouse for a later crop. And they're just now climbing that trellis. It's really quite beautiful. Just finished harvesting the rest of the basil. What a great season we had with that. Feel so blessed by how that worked out. Just let in some green beans. Normally I direct seed green beans, and I thought, let me put them in the trays and see what happens. I think I'll just stick with direct seeding them. Our first year of garlic is looking magnificent, and I know it's hard to see, but right up under there is a bunch of 10-15 onions. We got 100 on each side of this row of tomatillos. So a lot of them are being hidden and shaded because these tomatillos are looking beautiful. More pollinators, love it. And then I just pulled up a bushel, there it is right there, of cilantro. We're going to sell that to a local restaurant. I'm saving about 6 foot of cilantro for us to sell at a couple of more markets before it ends up going to seed. And there's all that. Of course, I pulled it up by the root because we no longer want to have it for the rest of the season. So exactly, happy about that. Well, that's my west grow. Oh, and of course the greenhouse, despite trying not to let it grow, it is still on fire in there with all of those accidental grape cherry tomatoes that my wife and I are in here daily, guys. I mean, look at how beautiful those are. Oh, I love it. And it's these indeterminates got so heavy they actually yanked the system down off of the ceiling that we had to hold them up to trellis them. So now it's a wild house in here, and there is a very sizable snake hiding in here. So I try my best to come in and get out before he notices me. Harmless garden snake, but still enough to strike the fear into a man. So again, today is Sunday, our very last day to be known as Cupcake Market Farms in Texas City. I am so proud that this year we are part of Living Veteran Gardens Association. Every penny of what you guys buy from us this season, every penny, including tips, is going to that. So on that same network or that same market, we got rid of the Cupcake name, and we have officially become Fiddle-Free Farms. Oh, I love that. I had to showcase this beautiful sunflower because you guys, I'm gonna flip that around. The love of my life loves her wildflowers. And guys, look at this. This is a jungle. We did a Texas-Oklahoma wildflower mix. The sunflowers are just season, I think, 3. These are those chocolate sunflowers. Look how beautiful they are. And this one must have like 40 heads on it. This is insane. Those just came back wildly because of the squirrels last year. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love doing for my wife. Love it, love it, love it. Guys, do for your wives. They deserve every ounce of what we can give them. Every inch of love, every hug, every kiss. Every I love you. Oh my, need some honeybees. Well, that's enough of that. Fiddle Free Farms.